How to claim NodePay voucher code. It's important to understand that voucher codes can function slightly differently within various platforms. In NodePay's case, they often relate to referral codes or codes that provide bonus points. Here's a breakdown of how to generally approach this, combining information from the research results. Here are some general steps. The first step is to access the NodePay platform. This could be through the official NodePay website, their mobile app, or the browser extension. Always ensure you're using official sources to avoid scams. Step 2, account creation or login. If you're new, you'll need to create a NodePay account. This is often where referral codes are entered during the sign up process. If you already have an account, log into your dashboard. Third step is to locate the code entry field. During sign up, pay close attention during the registration process. There's usually a designated field for referral or voucher codes. Within the platform, once logged in, look for sections like account settings, referral program, rewards, missions, and rewards. These areas are where you're most likely to find a field to enter your code. Step 4 is to enter the code. Carefully type or paste the voucher code into the designated field. Double check for any typos. The fifth and the last step is to confirm and verify. After entering the code, there's usually a submit or claim button. Verify that the bonus points or rewards have been added to your account.